Shalom everyone, Shalom Mishpacha, B'chaverim, Shalom family and friends. Here we are in the beautiful ancient city of Akko. Michael, tell us, what is special about Akko?
The most significant about Akko is that this place was never taken by Napoleon, who wants to take it but tried to, but never done this. And, again, it's a more Arabic place, but it's interesting and beautiful place.
Historically, this port city has seen a lot of warfare, a lot of conflict. Every empire tried to take the city, and Napoleon, when he tried to take the city, he failed. If you look over into the sea and look at these ancient walls are a testimony of Napoleon's attempts to take this city of Akko, and he failed. He failed because the local population stood their ground. And as Michael is saying, this area is largely Arabic, and so but they welcome tourists and they welcome a lot of visitors on a daily basis. It's a buzzing city with lots of activity, with lots of entertainment and restaurants, and so we're going to show you around a little bit in Akko. Shalom, shalom.